Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Roblox error code 264, a same account launched experience from different device. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error is occurred due to you are logged in on another device or old session is not closed, maybe multiple browser or maybe your account is hacked. So here we are going to solve all those issues. Our first step is to restart your system. Just close all the apps and restart your system. And once you restarted your system, just check whether your Roblox application is working perfectly or not. If not, follow the next step. The next step is to enter into your browser and log in the Roblox. At the top right corner you may see the settings. Enter into the settings and then security, then scroll down and you may see your logged in status. If you notice any unusual login, just click the arrow on the right side and click log out of session. If you are confused whether you're don't know when I logged in or logged out, or maybe you get confused in the sense, just scroll down and you may see like log out all the device. Once you're done, just close it. After that, we need to check whether we are using Roblox web and Roblox application at the same time. If you are using in the sense, please go close one of the thing like application or either web, and then please try to open your Roblox and check whether it's working or not. And our next step is to click or press Windows R and then enter into your local app data percentage to clear the Roblox cache. Just click OK. Then you were redirected to the local folder. Find the Roblox folder following logs and select all. Using control A you can select all and delete the folders and files. Once it's done, please check the Roblox application is working perfectly or not. I hope it works perfectly. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.